Let's break down Central PA's 2026 housing market. Some counties are booming, but others are pretty confusing.
We're digging into the January 2026 data, comparing it to last year to spot the big trends.
So where's the steady growth? And which counties are the ones to really keep an eye on?
All right, first, let's zoom out and look at the big picture for the entire Central PA region.
Overall, the market's looking healthy. More listings are up and prices are climbing pretty steadily. But that average hides the real story. Some counties are absolutely surging. Let's meet our growth champions.
First up, York County. It's showing some seriously impressive strength across the board. Check this out, an 11.3% jump in new pending sales. That screams strong buyer demand.
And get this, a 16.2% surge in median sales price, the highest in the entire region. Berks County is another major standout, especially when you look at all that intense buyer activity. It had the biggest jump in new sales for the whole region. Demand there is just wow.
But hey, it's not all growth. The story on pricing gets a lot more dramatic county by county. You see these huge gains in a place like York, but then pretty big drops somewhere else.
That volatility in Fulton is a perfect reminder, right? All real estate is incredibly local. And finally, the ones to watch. The market's sending mixed signals. This is where things get interesting. Perry County's data is a real puzzle. It's basically telling two completely different stories at once. Sales activity is just exploding, which points to high demand. And yet, the prices are actually falling. Meanwhile, Lancaster County has a whole different kind of puzzle, and this one is all about inventory. Sales have cooled off quite a bit, but a lot more homes are hitting the market. A classic shift.
So what does all this really mean for you? Let's just boil it down to the key takeaways. For sellers, hot markets like York are golden. For buyers, those mixed signal areas could mean negotiating power. Keep an eye on months of supply. At just 1.5 months, it's definitely still a seller's market.
It just proves one headline never tells the whole story.
So is the next big opportunity hiding here?
Save and share with someone this can help.